I'm going to do a video on this liquid control, crystal control device, LED, alarm clock by Gloue. As you can see, it takes 3 AAA batteries, and you just put the back on like this and slide it in, actually, like that. Now you have this, which is a lock for the alarm sets and date sets and all that, and so when you push it up all the way, it's a lock. Right now we're going to say, okay, let's set the year. That's this button. We'll say, no, that is 1209, year, month, hour. Oh yeah, it also tells you whether it's a 12 or 24. See, 12 or 24 or the year. There's the light for the snooze. Nice light. Backlighting is great. And there's setting your time. We'll set it for 2. And let's set the minutes for 2:10. So then we're going to say that was for the date or the time. Let's go with the date now. Yeah, well, it's not 12 to 20, so let's go to, let's say it's the 10th month, or the 10th day by, let's go 5:10. And it's 22 degrees Celsius in here. That's your temperature. And Celsius or Fahrenheit, and your alarm is on or off. Your alarm set, that's lock, that's alarm set. So let's set your alarm for, so it's for 6. How about we do 12, and we'll do, see? Oh, this is like 24-hour clock. We don't want to do that, so we'll just keep going. Maybe. 22, 23, 24, 1, and 2. And we'll say alarm is on, and we'll hopefully it will work then. It says right there the alarm is on. Hopefully, we have them set for the same time. And when that clicks over, it will do the alarm. There you go. Now if you want to snooze, snoozed, and backlit. Let you see what time you just snoozed. There you go. That is my video. Thank you for watching. And I hope that you enjoyed this. I was given this at a reduced price for an honest review. All opinions are my own.